Today we are going to read our story Kit and Stan. Hoy vamos a leer nuestro cuento Kit y Stan. Say the sounds with me and put them together and say the word. Di los sonidos conmigo y júntalos y di la palabra. Remember to point to each word when you're reading. Recuerda señalar cada palabra cuando estés leyendo. You can read on the screen. Podemos leer en la pantalla or in your book, en su libro. Kit and Stan. This is the title. Este es el título. Okay. Kit, kit. Ran. Kit ran and hid. Kit ran and hid. Stan ran. Stan ran and got. Stan ran and got kit. Stan ran and got Kit. All right, I have my finger, mi dedo, en las palabras, on the words. Now let's say the sounds, di los sonidos. St. Put it together, pon juntos. St. Stan. Ran. Stan ran and hid. Stan ran and hid. Kit ran and Kit ran and got Stan. Kit ran and got Stan. Kit and Stan had. Kit and Stan had fun. Kit and Stan had fun. Good job, buen trabajo. Let's do a cheer, un celebración. Oreo cheer, get ready, go. Good job. Sending love, mande amor. Adios. Continue to practice at home. Continue a practicar a su casa.